How to make a fantastic first impression. You never have to worry again about how you're going to come across, because when you apply these psychological secrets, you'll be able to make the very best first impression every time. Whether in personal or professional situations, these secrets will give you the winning edge over your competition. Remember that these techniques and Chapter 1 get anyone to like you. Every time, work in complementary fashion. Review both in order to have all of your psychological weapons in line so you can carefully devise your strategy. The number one tactic for generating a favorable first impression is the easiest to do. Smile. Smiling accomplishes four powerful things. It conveys confidence, happiness, and enthusiasm. And most important, it shows acceptance. People who smile are perceived as confident because when we are nervous or unsure about ourselves or our surroundings, we tend not to smile. Smiling, of course, conveys happiness, and we are drawn to happy people. We simply view them more favorably. Enthusiasm is essential to making a good impression because it's contagious. Your smile shows that you are pleased to be where you are and to meet this person, and he in turn becomes more interested in meeting you. Finally, smiling conveys acceptance and lets the other person know that you unconditionally accept who he or she is. Have you ever wondered why dogs are so lovable? Because they greet us with complete acceptance. If you have a tail, then wag it. If you don't, then smile. Of course, there's more to ensuring a good first impression, so let's continue. Regarding first impressions, there is something called the primacy effect, the process whereby our first impression of another person causes us to interpret his or her subsequent behavior in a manner consistent with the first impression. In English, this means that our first impression of someone is so crucial because everything we see and hear afterward gets filtered through our initial opinion. In effect, you create an image of the person right when you meet him, and you see his subsequent behaviors through this image. So if his first impression of you is favorable, then he will tend to be kinder in his future evaluations of you.